Hi, I'm Monaheng.
Hi, my name is Grace, and we'll be presenting a stock capturing web application. There'll be a quick introduction, a demonstration on how the application works, and lastly, a conclusion. The app automates the laborious task of going through multiple data feeds or channels to access market data, which saves time and therefore money. The app is created in MATLAB to perform iterative pre-processing and analysis, then packaging it in an app that is easily accessible to many users through an internet browser. MATLAB makes it easy to package and deploy the web app since it follows a single logical flow with one code base. And there is no need to hustle through a million JavaScript frameworks or even know HTML for design. Now I'll hand over to Monaheng.
Thank you, Grace. Let's move on to the demonstration. Let's open our internet browser like so. Once we have it open, let's just navigate to the home page of the web apps. Now, once here, you should see a list of all your installed web apps show here. In this case, we have only one, so let's just click into it. Clicking it will open the link like so in a new tab. Once you have the application running, you should be able to see the following screen. At the drop-down menu below, you should be able to select any of the stocks available. After giving the application some time to load, all relevant data fields should be filled in with the extracted data. If you look at the table immediately below the index, the default date field returns the date corresponding to the last recorded index price. The close level refers to the closing price of that time period, and the percentage change refers to the percentage change between the last two index prices. Optionally, you can change the date field so that you can view the closing price and percentage change from that particular day. Now let's just proceed to change this day. Let's pick a random day in 2018, say September in 2018. Let's keep the date the same. As you can see, the other table entries have changed accordingly. If you would like to narrow down the data to a specific time period, the date range field just here provides you with the date range of the entire data that has been pulled. You may specify a starting and ending date right below. Note how the graph will immediately change once you have selected appropriately. Like so. If you shift your attention to the far left side of the window, the switch over there allows you to view returns on the selected index. You can switch between returns and price at any point. There is an option to modify the frequency at which the index is measured to cater for your different use cases. Now, the daily and weekly would be more suitable for traders. Measuring at a higher frequency allows them to see the extent to which these stocks move on a regular basis, therefore allow them to gauge whether they can take advantage of these movements to make a profit. Moving on to the quarterly and annual ranges. These two are more meaningful to investors looking for stocks that will give good returns on either a short or long-term investment over time. If you shift your attention to the bottom of the screen, you should see a Send to Excel button. Once you have clicked that, you should be able to download all your data in the current state as an Excel spreadsheet. Having downloaded, I will hand over to Grace.
To emphasize the value of an app such as the one Monaheng has shared with us, the app retrieves and processes data according to your requirements, which makes it key to industries where access to data is crucial. This is not limited to the finance industry, such as traders and investors. With the use of this app, people no longer have to wait for daily reports or analysis, which allows for more time to be spent obtaining meaningful results. From Monaheng and I, thank you for listening.